Oh, thank you. I was late last time, sorry. I feel like I owe you guys something special. I'm Third Wheel Advancements Incorporated. I'm a little hard to follow. I don't even know where I'm supposed to be at times. You gotta be part of some sort of special interest group to head anything these days legally. Remember when Sonic Boom used to be a thunderous sound? Now it's a latte in the Lincoln Cracker Cans. And Breakout used to be a game or something you could take care of with a Stridex pad. Now you use a Valtrex and an HIV screen. Damn, remember when Runts used to be them little bitty candies? Now it's teens having preemies. Runts. The Guernsey whores, man, you see them there getting all sagging? I'm not really into it. That ain't gonna come back. And I bet moms and dads of serial killers wish they would have let them smoke pot. You never know. LGBT, what the hell is that? Legs, bacon, and tomato, or gay Mormons? I'm not sure. This is that sheet that I keep through out here. Oh brother, that fucking show, I hate that motherfucker. Talking about backdoor lists, what happened when backdoor used to be something you could look out or easy getaway? Give me the gun. I see this professional air guitarist, he's getting serious about that shit. What the fuck? Lame bitch. Arkansas is starting a new website for family dating, Ancestry.com. Man, piercing. Everybody into the piercings, crazy people, they got all the tattoos and whatnot. You think they were not very earth conscious, but they are great fishing enthusiasts. That's just the tackle. Thank you, folks. Have a good one. Woo!